guys, welcome back to another episode of The Divine Art. This is Rishika and this is a haul video. To watch till end, I have a lot of things to share with you, and if you are new to this channel, please hit the red button below and subscribe to my channel. That will do a lot of help. So I have a lot of stuffs with me, and really a lot of stuffs with me which I bought from a store in my locality, which is located in my locality, and this video has a purpose. Since few days, a kind of mission is being started on social media, which is local for vocal, which is vocal for local. So this mission is to support the goods which are made in India and to motivate other consumers to even purchase the goods which are made in India. So yes, I have a store in my locality, not in my locality, a bit far, like 15 minutes far from my home, and that was the store which was super neglected store. वहाँ पे कोई नहीं जाता था, almost, like it was on the verge to shut down. And one day I decided to step inside that store and I found treasure. मुझे literally वहाँ खजाना मिला था, because there were so many old papers, old drawing sheets and canvases which were very strong. So I compared the old canvas and the new canvas which I painted, and the old ones were pretty good compared to the new ones. I literally bought every canvas which was there, which was like of my use, the sizes. I bought all of them and they are all sold out. So I don't have any canvas left with me, they are all sold out. I have पेंटेड ऑन देम, पेंटिंग करके दिया है मैंने, किसी को बेचा है. तो मेरे पास वो सारे कैनवास नहीं है, वरना मैं ज़रूर दिखाती कि वो कितने अच्छे थे. Yes, that store even had a lot of sheets and papers, art sheets, which are not manufactured now. Something which I found very interesting, that the quality has degraded slowly and gradually, but the prices are hiked up. So that store was a treasure for me, and I bought literally everything from that store, and I recommended my friends even to buy things from that store. I will definitely share the location of that store in the description box below. So yes, let's check what I have got. So yeah, starting with the first thing I have is here a lot of sheets. Okay, so the first one is this Meistaria paper and paper products. These are size A3 student grade sheets, 5 sheets of 270 GSM and manufactured in India. It's priced rupees 81. So 5 sheets in rupees 81, size A3. So this is the sheet, let me show you. This is the front part, hope you can see. Is it visible? If it's visible, it's in crisscross pattern with cotton threads inside. It is 100% cotton, acid free, buffed and pH neutral, and it is in color off-white. So I really wanted to paint in an off-white sheet from a while. I didn't had one post lockdown, so I purchased this. Yeah, genuinely I wanted to. The second sheet is in watercolor. Again, this is A3 size, bigger than A3 size. This is for size 29.7 centimeter into 42 centimeter. Yeah, it is a bigger, slightly bigger. Weights 250 GSM, 350 GSM, and contains 10 sheet. Okay. I have used a lot of these sheets for watercolor, and these are really good sheets. And this is how it looks like. The sheet is in circlic, the grooves are in circlic shape, and it is not in a crisscross form like the other one, but it's really nice for portrait paintings. Yes, the size is even good. It's my hand. So the next thing I have is these two canvas boards board canvas from Camlin. This is for acrylic, acid free, 250, sorry, 25 centimeter into 30 centimeter, which is 10 into 12, and this has costed me rupees 85, but I got it in a lesser price, maybe rupees 80. I bought 2 of them, the same size. Yeah, I have used canvas boards, so yeah, I don't find any issue. There is nothing new in it. So the next thing is this. I have bought this for the first time. This is Camlin canvas pad, 10 sheets, acrylic painting sheets, and I don't know, I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know how it will turn out. Or in my previous video, or I have tried painting acrylic sheets for the first time, and it turned out pretty well, and I never thought that it would turn out so nicely, so I was like very excited to paint an acrylic sheet. But when I entered the store and thought of purchasing the acrylic sheets, it was like super expensive. The Brusto one was super expensive. I didn't have that much of budget that if buying Brusto sheets, acrylic sheets would have costed me so much of everything else. So I switched on to this Camlin sheets, which are for rupees 300, 10 sheets for rupees 300, size 12 into 10, 10 into 12, and I don't know how it will turn out. I am just praying it will give a nice effect. I'm just praying. The next I have is these cute solid color sheets. I got this for rupees, these are size A4, 10 sheets for rupees 32. I don't know, I got it for a lesser price. So let me just show you. These are the sheets. So these are the sheets, and these are really nice colors. I just love them. I wanted to do some origamis or bookmarks or doing cards. So I purchased these sheets. I don't know what exactly I do with them, but I just really love the colors. I will definitely do some kind of craft with them. The next thing I have is this glass line. The funny part is this, I didn't bought it to paint on glass or anything, but I wanted to do something like this. I wanted to sketch out something which have depth. So I did this, and it turned out pretty well. I just really love how cute it is looking, and how, you know, it's looking very ethical, medieval kind of thing. So I just really love how it has turned out, and I'm looking forward to do such things with this glass liner and the acrylic colors. These are acrylic colors. So yes, I just really love. I am obsessed with diaries. Like, I just love collecting cute diaries. The cutest part about this diary is it has this round circlic wheel which helps to set the week, day of the week, which is whatever it is. I don't know what day is today. So yes, it is very cute, and let me show you. So I have written something over here. Let's ignore. These are the sticky notes, just cute sticky notes. Again, there is a space to insert cards and everything. There is a notepad which is tearable, and this pen is made up of plastic and cardboard. This part is of cardboard. I just really love this concept of the pen. I wish if this was even eco-friendly or something, but unfortunately it's not. But I love this pen. This works really nicely, and I just love how beautiful this part is. This structure is. I wanted to do, when the first I saw this diary, I just wanted to do something in the outer part, so I bought this one. Hopefully, I know I'll do something better with this. So the next thing I have is this white charcoal pencil by Montmare, and I have already opened the pack because I was very excited to try these on, and this worked pretty well. I have even broken the nib of one pencil, and both are same. Some sticky notes, I just need them here and there. The next thing I have is these calligraphy pen set. I was wanting to do calligraphy since a very long time, but I didn't got something very effective in my budget, and I had a very less budget. So when I first saw this, I knew that I want to buy it. So let me just open it. So this is how it looks. They are not four, they are five. There are 5 different kind of nibs inside. One is inside this one. Let me just show you. ये ऐसे खुलता है, sorry. हाँ, oh sorry. So this is the 5th nib. I hope if you can see it. Writing with these are like okay, not very professional kind of thing, but it works really fine and okay for beginners like me. I am not into calligraphy, but I really wanted to try it, so I bought this pen and it works perfectly. So this costed me around rupees 130. It's written here, but they took 125 or 120 from me. It's a calligraphy gift set. So yeah, I'm done with this set. Now the next thing I have is these colors. So these colors are priced or labeled differentially, starting from rupees 85 to rupees 115. So this color copper is marked as 115 and it's the most expensive in this series. So and this color is permanent rose, which is marked as 85. I like this one better. Then I have this white, then this pink, then this mauve, and I just really love all these colors. Without colors, I have no meaning to my life. Next thing I have is these acrylic colors. I have never tried Fabrica acrylic colors. These are from Camlin too, but under Fabrica. So I wanted to compare basically that which one is doing better, if Camlin acrylic colors or Fabrica, which one, if it is only Camlin, I don't know, I'm not sure. This is artist acrylic color or Fabrica acrylic color does better job, but I haven't done any kind of comparison yet. Maybe this is the topic for the next video. Coming to the next thing I have is this acrylic gloss medium. So since the very beginning I have started painting with acrylic colors or any kind of dot painting or dot art, any kind of thing. I have only used Brustos pouring medium and nothing else. I don't know why I have done so, because I used to think that products which are made outside India are more probably better than which are made in India. So I went for the expensive. I used to think that expensive goods are better than the goods which are cheap, but it's not so. Goods with lesser price are even better, and this is marked as 140 rupees and Brustos pouring medium is for 500 something rupees, I'm not sure, or for 200 or 250. The next thing I have is this artist picture varnish for oil colors. Yes, so this is again I have bought for the first time. I don't know how it will turn out. I haven't even used it yet. Then I have this fixative spray for charcoal pencil. I have used these two things a lot, and I do know how it works out, because most of the time when I'm selling the artworks, I need to spray a good amount of fixative sprays, or else the product will get ruined very soon. So I need to use a good amount of fixative sprays for oil, acrylic, charcoal or whatever. So the reason I bought this is because I have never used this one, and this is for gloss removal. And so I wanted to check that if this varnish can remove gloss or not, if it can give a glossy finish or not. I'm using this varnish if it will give a glossy effect to the oil paintings, because oil paintings need a bit of gloss in them to look more oily. I just want to add on is this, I have this mind change to buy things which are made in India, because of all this China virus thing happened, and everything, whatever the behavior of Chinese army and the government have done with Indian army, and I was very much clear that I will never buy a product which is made in China. This is not coming from hate, but this is coming from the love for my country, for my own countrymen and my soldiers. I can definitely sacrifice goods which are made in China. So the next thing which motivated me to buy these products, which were the PMO's aggression for hashtag local for vocal. Hashtag vocal for local. The prices for the imported papers, handmade papers, are relatively very high as it was before, which was made in India. So I'm supporting made in India. And yes, I have bought this easel, wooden easel, from the same store which I bought all these stuffs from, because this is something which I had love at first sight, because it is so pretty. The color of the wood is so pretty, and it is very in nice shape and size. I can just stand and paint anytime. I can just raise this, lift this up, put this thing down. I can sit and paint. This is movable. So I just really love this one. From now I am buying everything which is made in India. I'll definitely share the location of this store in the description box below, and definitely share all the goods which I have bought from the store. I got a nice discount because I am a very old customer and a regular customer. They know me by name, and I love going there. I'm very happy and very excited with the purchase and to try on all the new things which I have here. If you enjoyed watching this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and hit the bell button. Keep supporting me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you till the next video.